Hello and welcome to Icon-2023 Live, the Mirror of Society. I am Rupjili Engtipi and today we have a very special guest sitting with us. And she is the winner of Northeast Talent Fashion Star Icon-2023. So can you please give me an introduction?
Kardom, and thank you for Icon-2023 Live, the Mirror of Society, for inviting me here and talking about myself. My name is Rupjili Engtipi and I'm from a very beautiful place called West Korbianglong, Keruni. And about my mother's name is Basaping Hipi and about my father's name is Punikanta Engti. And where about my education, I have recently passed my HSRC from the Keruni Don Bosco School, and then currently I'm pursuing my study of HS at Guwahati Aryan College. At the same time, I also like modeling, traveling, and singing. And talking about my aim in life is I want to become a professional model.
Okay, so Rupjili, can you please tell me how do you feel after winning this prestigious title?
I feel so proud. Also, I feel so good of winning the title of Northeast Talent Fashion Star Icon. Also, there is many competitors and participants came from various places. Also, they are talented and each are different of each and individuals. But I feel so proud of winning the title of Northeast Fashion Star Talent Icon. Also, I make my parents proud. Also, I'm so blessed of winning the title.
Okay, so Rupjili, can you tell me, now you have won this title, right? So what are you going to do for the society?
Okay, where as far as I go, I would like to take my culture, my tradition all over the world. If I go as far as I could, like up to national level or international level, so I would like to take my culture, my tradition, also some awareness I would like to present in our own villages, also urban areas. Some of them are facing education problem, also those opportunities they doesn't get. So I would like to take as far as I could my culture, my tradition, my people.
Okay, so Rupjili, nowadays lots of people have negative thoughts about pageantry, right? So what would you like to say?
Okay, where beauty, some of people have their very negativity about beauty pageantry. I would like to say to those people, beauty pageantry is not only about the people that dress up, the way they dress, the way they show their body. It's not about how they dress up. It's about how the person is or about how the person behave. Also, the person, we should see the inner beauty because each person are not same with what they dress, what they look like. So we should never judge by what they dress. So we should always look to people by their inner beauty.
Okay, so Rupjili, can you tell me what qualities does a beauty pageant should have? A beauty pageant winner should have?
Okay. Beauty pageant, first of all, I would like to say each and everyone should be confident of themselves or what they do or what they have done. So be confident of yourself and I would like to say to each and everyone, never give up because losing and winning is a part of our life. So you should go ahead and stick to your goal and also never give up on give up on your dream because giving up is not a solution for you. And also being struggle and hard work lead to you to success. So be confident of yourself and start believing in yourself.
Okay, so Rupjili, can you tell me what is the difference between pageantry and fashion show? Because people doesn't now in our society, they doesn't know the difference between pageantry and fashion show, right? So can you please tell me the difference?
Okay, where the difference between beauty pageantry and fashion show. Beauty pageantry is somewhere which you can show your from where you have came. You can represent yourself. You can represent your tradition, your culture, your people, even your struggle. And also, beauty pageant is somewhere. It's a big platform where you can show up or where you can speak out or spoke out of yourself and about your people, the problem people are facing, and about fashion show. Fashion show is a platform where you can show the dress of each and your culture. You can show your culture, your tradition, and also how the dress, yeah.
So Rupjili, can you tell me how do you manage your time between studies and pageantry? Now you have been doing pageantry also now. So how do you manage your time?
Yeah, according to me, study is aside and about my modeling is aside, because when it's come about study, I like study. I give my all of my 100% in study. Both of them, I give all of my 100% in each of everything I do. Also, I like study is a place where I used to give my extra time, and also modeling is also a place where I give my extra time in my all free time. I used to give my free time to modeling.
Actually, can you tell me, does beauty pageant objectifies women?
No, beauty pageant doesn't objectify women, because beauty pageant is not about being tall, having a slim figure, or being beautiful, having a good face. It's all about who you are, and also it's defined best personality, having confidence of yourself, and also wear manner. Not about how you perform or how you being dressed.
Okay, so Rupjili, can you tell me what is beauty?
Okay, what is beauty? Beauty is not only having a good skin, having a beautiful face. It's about how you are, or it's about how you behave, how you wear manner to each and everyone, and also how you behave to others. It's all about beauty. Beauty is not about having a good face, having a good skin.
Okay, so Rupjili, can you tell me, I have seen at the advertisement of DH Creative Talent Hunt Society that they are going to give the opportunity to the winners, that they'll be given an opportunity at ZTV serial, right? So Rupjili, so since you are the winner, did they give you any contract?
No, I didn't receive any contract. Yeah, maybe there will be signing a contract between after months or after a week. But recently, I have not yet received the contract.
Okay. Since you didn't sign the contract, okay, so like after maybe as you said, after maybe 1 week or maybe after a month, so after you signing the contract, you'll be given a chance at CTV serial, right? So you'll be doing the shooting or not?
About shooting, if I get a chance or opportunity of signing a GTV, obviously I would like to sign the contract.
So Rupjili, this will be my last question. If I have seen at the advertisement of DH Creative Talent Hunt Society that they'll give you an opportunity at ZTV serial, right? So did you sign the contract?
No, I didn't receive the contract. Maybe after a month or after a week, the contract may be arrived, or so as soon as possible I could sign the contract.
Okay, so Rupjili, like after signing the contract, will you do the shooting at ZTV serial?
Yeah, after signing the contract or after having the contract, yeah, I would like to do shooting in it.
Okay, so Rupjili, that was my final question. So would you like to say anything?
Yeah, I would like to thank, first of all, I would like to thank Any Karbi Life, the Mirror of Society, for inviting me here. Also, the supporter I got, the supportive I got from my family, I would like to thank them because they have supported me a lot. Also, I would like to thank my people for their prayers, for getting me up to here. So as far as I could go far, so that I could represent my culture, my tradition. Thank you.
Okay, so Rupjili, first of all, I would like to say thank you for coming here today. It was such a pleasure talking with you, and you have a blessing from us, from our news channel. I hope you grow more in the future. Yes, so thank you for watching Icon-2023 Live, the Mirror of Society.